Hi everyone, we're back at the Dorflinger Factory Museum. This is the Fall 2025 show. This is video 4. And everything is for sale here. My name is Franz Hellwig. If you would like emailed photos that are enlargeable, or if you have a question about cut glass in general, please contact me. I also buy whole collections and rare items. And we'll start video 4 here in the corner. I have 3 Dorflinger Strawberry Diamond and Fan Finger Bowls. They're a little bit larger than typical. They are $15 and $20 each. And then we have a single number 28 pattern by Dorflinger Finger Bowl, and it is $20. Here's a very cool ice cream set in the Dixie pattern. It's shown in the line drawings catalog. It's got 6-inch ice cream dishes and then the master tray. Very heavy, thick blank on the master tray. The set's $24.50. Excuse me. Here are 2 crescent or bone dishes. They're shown in the Dorflinger & Sons catalog. I have 2 of those, and they are $125 each. They are cut in the Russian pattern. These are 7-inch plates in the Gladys pattern by Hawks, and they are signed. They were $65 each, but I did find a chip or 2 on the rims. Nothing significant, but as such, they're only $30. Here are a dozen water goblets in Strawberry Diamond and Fan. Very classic, fluted and notched stems. The set of 12 is only $7.95. It's a great large 10-inch diameter salad bowl in number 643, aka Cobweb. Beautiful quality, and it's only $7.95. Another 10-inch salad bowl. It's in the classic Parisian pattern. Fine blank, great cutting, great hand polish. It's shown on page 44 of the C. Dorflinger & Sons catalog. Really great quality, great central hobstar, and it's $7.95. And I forgot I had a third bone dish, aka crescent. It's $2.75. There's a single wine in the royal pattern. It is $65. A single wine in Hob Diamond, and it is $35. And here is, let's see, I have 2, 4, 6, 7 left. These are the Brilliante ice cream dishes, and they have the great Hobstars cut on the points. On the studs, I should say, and they are $195 each for the perfect one, and then $75 each for the ones that have some roughness on the edge. But they're a rare find. This is similar to the set used in the President Harris service, so they would have had the presidential seal where the monogram goes, but here they have the initial C. Here's another salad bowl. It's 9-inch diameter, and it's in Parisian. It's a little bit different blank, more straight-sided, and it's $7.95. Here's a square blank Cologne cut and cane pattern, and it is $145. It's a single ice cream dish in Russian with the starred button. It's $75. I actually have 2, so there's another one at the warehouse. Another Russian piece is this cute little Petitfour. It's got a pattern cut foot. It's 6 inches in diameter, and it is $145. There's a cute business card tray by Dorflinger. It's sort of a leaf shape. It's Strawberry Diamond and Fan. Punty cut handle, and it is $125. These are really beautiful. They're water goblets with the fancy knob in the Lorraine pattern by Dorflinger. There's a set of 8, and they are $9.95. And then here's an extra deep tri-lobe bowl with starred button Russian, and it's by Dorflinger, and it is only $4.95. And let's see. Over here is a little mix of glass. We have a 14-inch diameter Hawks Holland pattern punch bowl, and it's $11.95. I'm going to do a show special of $600. And then here's a Cetus bowl by Meriden. It is $21.50. A very fine 1/1 pattern, and we'll do a show special of $1,500 on that. A little splash of color, cranberry finger bowls and underplates in oval and split. They're $65. And then the teal, turquoise, blue color in oval and split is $125. Here's a 1/1 rated rose diamond by Meriden. It's flared. It really shows the pattern well, and it's $5,800. There's a Russian pitcher, kind of a wide-bodied fat jug, and it is $525. Here's a great 13-inch tall trumpet vase, emerald green cut to clear, Bradley sterling, really well done, and it's $29.95. Classic Ellesmere pattern bowl, 9 3/8 inch diameter. It is $7.95. And here's a massive 24-inch tall Dorflinger Libby Sultana, not Dorflinger Sultana. Trumpet vase, got the scallop hop star base, and it's $5,500. 1/1 rated true trellis low bowl. It is $26.95. And then the triple miter trellis low bowl, signed Eggington, is $38.95. It's a great small example of Alhambra, 7-inch diameter low bowl. Has great teeth. It is $2.95. And then here's a Russian gold cut to clear Russian pattern by Strauss wine glass, and it is $6.95. And that will conclude video 4. Thank you.